Hi, superstars. It's time for science. We are on the module Forces and Motion, and we are on lesson 3, Direction and Force. Let's look at a vocabulary word we're going to learn. You're going to see this word used in the content that you'll be learning. The word is direction. Can you see direction? Direction. Direction is the course or path on which something moves. Direction is the course or path on which something moves. So there are many words that are used to describe direction, such as away, toward, north and south. We can use the word straight ahead. There's many words to describe direction. Let's open our Be a Scientist notebook to page 30. We're on page 30. Make sure your name, first and last name, and the date is at the top of the page. This is our new vocabulary word, direction. Remember, direction is the course or path on which something moves. Okay, down here they're asking, why do objects change direction? You're going to draw a picture of how an object changes direction. Use an arrow to show the direction the object moves. So I want you to draw an object, anything, and you're going to show how that object changes direction. You're going to use arrows to show that. Okay? So draw any object you want, and I just want you to show me how that object moves, how it changes direction. We're going to watch a video of a marble traveling through a maze. So I want you to watch how the marble changes the direction it travels in this maze. Okay. What made the marble change direction? The marble changed direction when it was pushed or when it bumped into a wall and pushed off. See how it's bumping into the wall and pushing off? How did the walls help change the direction that the marble traveled? Well, the walls gave the marble a place to bump into and change direction. So each time it bumped into one of those walls, the marble changed direction. Okay, now I want you to open up your Be a Scientist notebook to page 31. On page 31, it's asking, how did the marble in the maze move? Make a drawing. So you are going to draw a maze, and you're going to show how the marble moved in the maze. So complete the drawing of what you saw in the video. Make sure your first and last name and the date is at the top of the paper. Let's listen to a nonfiction selection. It is called Pushes and Pulls.
Pushes and pulls. Motion and force. Motion is a change in an object's position or the place where something is located. When something is in motion, it moves to a different place. Force is what makes an object change its position. When a ball rolls, it is in motion. Some kind of force makes the ball move from one spot to another. People move things every day when they dress, open a door, shop, or play. Different forces. Pushes and pulls are two kinds of forces that move things. A push is a force that moves something away from you. A pull is a force that moves something closer to you. Both of these forces change the position of an object. They change how the object moves. This girl is pushing the ball away from her. This boy is pulling a bag toward him. Change in direction. Pushes and pulls can have different directions. When you pull a wagon behind you, it moves in the direction you're walking. When you push a ball by throwing it, the ball moves away from you in the direction your hand is aimed. The ball can move up, down, or to the side when your hand pushes up, down, or to the side. This boy pulls the wagon in his direction, even when he walks in circles.
Look at the boy pulling the wagon. How does he change the direction the wagon goes? As he pulls the wagon towards himself and he turns, the wagon changes direction too.
This woman pushes the boy in the wheelchair up a ramp.
Look at the woman pushing the wheelchair. How do you think she can change its direction? The woman will push the wheelchair and it will move in a direction away from her.
Change in speed. Speed is how fast or slow an object moves. Pushes and pulls can make objects move at different speeds. A strong force, or a big push or pull, can make an object move faster than a small push or pull. Two children moving a wagon make the wagon go faster. One child can pull while the other child pushes. A kick is a bigger push than a roll, so a kicked ball has more speed. When more force is added, the object speeds up. Change in distance. Distance, or how far something moves, depends on the strength of a push or pull. An object that moves fast goes a farther distance in a short time compared to an object that moves slowly. Running uses more force, so you can move a farther distance in less time. Only a little force is needed to move something small a short distance, but a lot of force is needed to move something large and heavy even a short distance. A machine can push a heavy rock with more force than a person can.
All right. So we learned about pushes and pulls. When you push something, you're using a force and you're making something move away from you. And when you're pulling, that's also a force and it's bringing an object closer to you. Okay, superstars, until next time, have a wonderful day.